Today is the First Lady's Family Fun Day, a day dedicated to focusing on wellness through sport. I hope you have brought all members of your families and that you didn't leave anyone behind. I'm impressed by your turnout. It makes me feel welcome and also reflects that you understand the importance of our interaction. As you have seen, I've been to every province undertaking a number of charity-oriented initiatives, mostly under the banner of my Angel of Hope Foundation. These initiatives help me to reach out to our members of the society who are not so privileged. I've been to cities, peri-urban and rural areas, interacting and lending a hand to fellow Zimbabweans. Today marks the third episode of this Family Fun Day event, after hosting two others in Harare and Midlands provinces, respectively. I'm a mother like you, also Ambuya, and some even call me Gogo. The reason I get into communities is to get personal with you, to get close to you, understanding your needs and helping in the best way I can.